Welcome to my new Ordinary Differential Equations series here on Understand the Math. This course is designed to take you step by step through the key concepts of ordinary differential equations, including classification, first and second order equations, modeling, series solutions, the Laplace transform, systems of equations, and numerical methods. I'm Cheryl Heil, a retired teaching professor of mathematics from Penn State. I've taught at the university level for over 25 years, and during that time, I've helped thousands of students build a strong foundation in mathematics. This series brings that same classroom-tested approach directly to you. This course is completely free. Each video includes clear explanations and worked-out examples so you can follow along and understand each step. My goal is to help you build confidence as you prepare for quizzes and exams. To support the videos, I've created free guided notes that go along with each lesson. You can download them at understandthemath.com. These notes are designed to help you understand concepts more clearly, retain them longer, and stay organized throughout the course. I'll be releasing new videos every Monday and Thursday, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified when new lessons are posted. Following along with the videos and guided notes will help you master the material and succeed in your differential equations course. I look forward to working through ordinary differential equations with you. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.